What's up? Oh, my voice is cracked. Kind of lost my voice a little bit, but baseball season, so I'm yelling at the TV and stuff, yelling on my phone. Anyway, so see these two wheels right here? Got the same two on the other side. They fix to be gone. It's gonna be the last time you get to see it like this. I got some new wheels and tires in the back of my truck right now. I done loaded up. Fix to go get them mounted and balanced. I'm gonna come back, take these off, throw them on, and it's gonna look good. I'm hoping the wheels and tires that I got livens up the look a little bit. I'm not saying these look bad. I love these. These are actually really sexy. I mean, I think they look better on the GX than they do the Camaros, honestly. Anyways, but let's get it. Let's get going. Got the wheels and tires up here right now. I see it right there. Let's go. I'm so happy. Golly. I've just been staring at it for like the past 30 minutes. I'm just a chrome guy. I just like chrome. I think it sets it off more. Now don't get me wrong, black looks good, but I love chrome. Also, the imperfections don't show as much with chrome as well, which these are brand new, so obviously none. But like with them black wheels, man, rocks would, I guess, come up and chip it. They would hit and everything. And crap was annoying. But these look great. Now these are not OEM like my last Z28s were. These are factory production Z28. So they look a little different. And I'll show you here in a second on my brother's car. He got my old Z28. If you watched my last video. Anyway, I got me some people up here. Hopefully y'all can hear me over my dad's 57 shopping down the block. He's gonna leave, so it's gonna get loud for a second. I don't mind it though. Anyways, so yeah, so these turned out great. I got, yeah, I knew he's gonna do that. It's like you travel back in time when you hop in that thing. Except you got LS power. LS power, baby. Yep, that 408 hit. Alright, so anyways, but yeah, I mean this looks good. I'm getting around to the point where I wanna put more money in excuse me. I'm getting around to the point where I want to put more money in this car than anything else. I mean, I got 5 vehicles. You know, I got my Cat Eye, this, my Camaro, and then I got my High Country, and I got my little daily G6, which, you know, y'all don't really see much of that, but, and that sucker, it's just straight to work and back. That's it, gas mileage. That's it. Anyways, so I'm getting to the point where I want to put more money into this thing. That's why I did the wheels. I bought the new steering wheel. I mean, I'm gonna do some more stuff. I don't know what I want to do next. Maybe y'all can give me some ideas. But I've always loved these G8s, man. I'm blessed to have one. I bought it from my buddy. I know it was taken care of. It needs to be cleaned. I wanted to wash it before I made the video, but it still looks good. Them wheels don't need to be cleaned. They shining. But yeah, so I'm just ecstatic, man. I'm ecstatic. Let me give y'all a little bit close up of it. Let's see. So there they are right there. They look good. They look good. They don't look as close to OEM as I thought they would, but they look great. Got these lug nuts, and they came, I didn't even notice it. I may have accidentally got them, but with a key, and I was like, dang, it looks different. But I mean, I don't care. It don't matter. I got these just because of America, you know. Got to get those valve stem caps, and I want them chrome just like the wheel, so I had to do that. Yeah, so there you go right there. That's what they look like right here. Sexy. Absolutely sexy. I wish Pontiac wouldn't have got rid of it, or I wish GM wouldn't have got rid of Pontiac, man. I hate they had to go bankrupt. These could be great. It was a bad time for these when they made them. But yeah, here's so you see those. Here's his, my old ones. You can see the difference. So they, like I said, these are actually like OEM Z28s, and you can look at them and tell. They're also, so they're 20 by 9s up front. Same thing with mine. 20 by 9s up front, 20 by 10s in the rear. Same thing as mine. You can't fit. You can fit 20 by 11s and 20 by 10s, but you're gonna be scrubbing and it ain't gonna be fun. But if you look, his poke out past the fender. I think he's just got more offset than I do, just because I guess that's just how they were made. And you look at mine, it's like flush with the fender. It may be in just a touch, just a hair, not much. But yeah, at this point, I'm almost wanting to daggum build the motor. So, but I mean, I ain't gonna do it yet. I mean, I also said the steering wheel, which y'all seen that last video, but while we here, and it's dirty in here, here's the steering wheel right here I put in. I think that thing looks amazing too. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, give me some more ideas if y'all can. I mean, I'm down to do whatever. I'd like ideas. I'm not saying I would do them, but just give me some ideas. I mean, I'm thinking about changing the tail lights, getting a new emblem because that one's faded. I got all new LEDs coming in soon. I just don't know when they're gonna be in. Need to clean up the headlights. Like you can see, they're starting to feel they're all old, and then fog lights. And I really want to get rid of the black on the grill now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's been painted black, but just from, you know, just daily use on the road, or just not really daily use, but just using on the road like I have, it's caused it to chip and stuff. And I'm thinking about, I don't know why this one don't have it, putting a chrome strip right here. I'm gonna put the chrome strip right there, just like my brother has, and I think that would help out a lot. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna have more stuff coming up, especially now with this thing right here, and some other vehicles as well probably, but definitely this one. So appreciate y'all.